Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a movement that you can do anywhere with a wall. But the reason you might want to do this movement anywhere with a wall is because it just feels good, and there's just a lot of goodness that comes along with it. It connects your body, connects your brain, and it really helps your shoulders feel quite amazing, especially where your scapula are, which are the back of your shoulders back here. So you have your shoulders, and then you have, your scapula. They all work together, but I'm gonna stop talking and show you what I'm talking about. So we're gonna do the cross crawl on the wall, and just being on opposite limbs, right? My hand's here, my foot's here, the energy, you'll feel the energy and strength travel through your body, down through your opposite limbs. And then the cross crawl part is touching the opposing limbs together. And this is just good for your brain, it's good for your body, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna add to this by pushing through the wall and stretching our scapula, and this feels so good. So when we touch, we're also gonna lengthen and just push the wall away, and you can see how my body gets pushed back, and that's my scapula is now wrapping around my rib cage and reaching into the wall. So from this side, it looks like this, and this part feels so good. If you have any tension or stiffness in your upper back around your scapula, you're gonna be like, wow, Tim, thank you very much. And Tim's gonna be like, you're very welcome. So this is it. We're doing cross crawls on the wall, but we're adding that little push. And I gotta tell you, this feels so good. And the longer you can push, the more you can stretch that scapula. It just feels good all through here, all on the back of your rib cage. It's quite pleasant and invigorating. Anyway, that's our tip for the day. Good for your brain, good for your body, good for your upper back, your scapula, which means it's good for healthy mobile shoulders. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength. We'll see you next time.